There have been many ideas that I've been sharing since last many days. But since last few videos, education business is something that is coming up in a very bright manner. I'll be sharing 10 different education business ideas today. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Akshita Bahuguna and I'm here with my Unbox Entrepreneurship. Whenever we think of starting up as a novel startup entrepreneur or as a person, the first question is which sector? Now, if you identify education as your sector, then what are the different things that you in an education sector can do? Let us try to understand these. I'll be naming 10 of these and then you can explore more. Number one is coaching center. As discussed in the previous video as well, coaching center is very easy to open, and at a remote place, if you can identify and position yourself, you can get a very good result. How we can open a new coaching center is something that we have already discussed in the previous video, and the link is shared in the description. Second, school. School requires not only the investment but also certain licenses from the different organizations like CBSE and CRT and associations with the state governments. So if you can fulfill all these and if you have that bandwidth of investing that huge amount, opening a school can be a very good option. And in a population like India, school is a business that would never fail. This is a business that is, I would say, is a recession resistant. So any recession in India or in the world cannot affect school business. Third is YouTube channel. Nowadays, if you know how to start a business, how to record yourself and what the people need, and if you can deliver that content, believe me, the next decade is a decade of content. If you can create it and market it in the best manner, then YouTube channel is one way of earning. You can educate people through your YouTube channels. Fourth is a computer institute. Nowadays the technology is moving so fast that every student needs to upgrade themselves. So if you can provide that education to the people to upgrade their skills, then this institute is an option for you. The pre-nursery school or a play school is something that does not require any license and yet has a very wide acceptance within the people. With the parents starting jobs and with both the parents doing jobs, play school is something that is a demand of these parents who cannot devote time to their pre-nursery children or their children in the play school. That is one way you can do. Nowadays, it is not only the government or the college libraries, the private libraries are also having a very good footfall. People want to visit libraries, and there are many areas which does not have any resource. So opening a library at that place is a new business. I can give you an example. The area I'm residing in, this is a place where there are many institutes offering CA coaching. Now, because there are ample number of institutes that are offering CA coaching, the best idea was to open a library where the CA students who want to give some time for their studies can come and study. So library is a very good business at this place, specifically for CA students. Similar way, you can identify the place you are residing in or the place you have area and you want to start the library. Seventh, one of my friend who was not very well educated, whose degrees were not enough and whose confidence was not enough to teach, was guided by an astrologer to start an education business. And he came to me, what should I do in education business? And I said, open a stationery shop. Because there again, you are dealing with those things which are related to education. You can serve education by opening a stationery shop. Eighth, nowadays students want to have a home tutor and get specific helps. Maybe parents are educated but they don't want to spare their time and they have other priorities. So home tuitions is again a business that has a good opportunity. Ninth, and again the place I am staying in, this became CA hub, CA coaching hub. Now, because this was a CA coaching hub, the related businesses easily grew here. I would call these related businesses as parasite business of this coaching industry of CA. Because of this coaching industry, the libraries grew. Because of this coaching industry of CA, the PGs and hostels grew. Because of this industry, the healthy food habits. So the restaurants that are giving only the healthy food, they grew. Now you know what are the opportunities. Even the stationery shops grew. So these parasites, so if you can locate a place which already has one industry growing up, the parasite industries can also grow. You can identify these. Last but not the least, 10th is freelancing. You can offer your services to anybody online. You can give a translation or proofreading. And these opportunities are ample online if you can locate those. Hope these 10 ideas would help you open your education business. Be happy, be entrepreneurial, and live the life of abundance. And if you want to pursue more of Unbox Entrepreneurship with us, keep liking, subscribing, and following us. And don't forget to share it with your friends, families, and fellows. Thank you.